I am not up to doing the whole fridge right now, so we are just going to start with the top shelf. Too often we worry about, oh, I gotta get everything done. Well, those of us that live with limitations know that that is just not always possible and not always smart. So instead, we're gonna do what we can, and it will add up, it will make a difference, and it's just a smarter way to do it when you are living with limitations. And just like that, by moving a couple of things to where they belong and a little bit of tidying up, we have a clean top shelf. Now, I'm kind of feeling like maybe I want to do another shelf. We'll see. We'll see if I'm up to that. And it's okay if I'm not, if I decide not to continue on with the rest of the refrigerator, because I did get that one shelf done. And when you are living with limitations, you need to celebrate every success. I will say that with our new system, with these different dividers and containers to keep our stuff organized, it has really been making a difference in the maintenance of our fridge. It has not been getting nearly as dirty or yucky, and that is a win. And I did go ahead and do the second shelf, and you know what? I might just keep going, and I would say that for today, with only having one arm that I can use right now, this is pretty dang awesome.